Hi class, I just want to talk about the Human Rights Final Project. The Human Rights Final Project is the final project for English and for Global. So if you do this project, you will get credit for both your Global class and for your English class. So you will find the Human Rights Final Project folder in your School from Home folder on the English page and also on your Global page. So it looks like this, Human Rights Final Project. Now inside there are 4 different projects, but you only have to choose one. So if you go inside, you will see 4 folders. There's the Explain Everything project, which uses the application Explain Everything. There's an interview project, there's a poster project, or there's a more traditional essay project. So you are just going to choose one of these projects, and you would submit them to the project folder. Inside of each of the folders, there's an explanation about what that project is. If you want to do more than one, you can, but of course, just choosing one is fine. This is not due until June 17th. So this is the only work that we are going to be putting up for Global or for English from now on. If you have any questions about that, please contact us. And of course, please join us for our Monday Zoom meetings at 11. Okay, miss you all. We miss you so much, and I hope you enjoy doing one of these projects. We look forward to seeing them. Thanks, guys.